If you haven't seen our previous video on keyframes, then you might want to check some out here, but today's all about keyframing audio. There may be times when you have peaks in your audio waveform, or there may be times when audio ducking just isn't the right option for you, and that's where keyframes are your friend. Here you can see an edit where I've keyframed the peaks of the voiceover, as well as leveling the music track for when the voice comes in and out. It's good practice to put a small fade on the top and tail of every edit of voice, which is a keyframed move within something like Premiere Pro, but it can be a simple tab drag fade up in Resolve. These little sections here are where I have pulled down the peaks of that audio in that section. So bear in mind that I have created 4 separate keyframes. That's so you have 2 on the outside, keeping the rest of the track to its original level, and then the 2 on the inside to bring down just that inner section to the same level as everything outside of that. This can be the same for your music section, so here I've got the introduction piece of music and then I bring it in low because that's when all of the voice is starting. So I have the 2 keyframes here of my original audio level and then the lower level that I want for the voice. On top of that, you could also keyframe your panning and your pitching. So if you see here in Inspector and DaVinci Resolve, you've got the keyframe diamond, so you can click that. You can change the pan from one side and then move further along, click that again, move it over, and then you have created a pan of the audio going from one ear to the other. Panning your audio from left to right or really playing around with it could be a really great way of creating tension in a horror or almost creating a 3-dimensional environment depending on your video content. So it could be a really creative way of editing your audio. You've also got pitch, so you can do the same thing and it will change the tone of the voice in your edit. It's the same within Premiere Pro. You can go to your effect controls, go to your audio section, and you can change the volume, the channel volume, the panner, and keyframe all of those options. Audio can get forgotten about when creating an edit, but it's one of the most important things to get right. In tomorrow's video, we're talking about keyframing color grades, so don't forget to check it out.